Welcome back to my new video, and it's a recipe of Pani Puri. Add jaggery sugar in a preheated pan, then add soft dates. Mix it well to make chutney. Bring it to boil. Add salt as to taste. Add chaat masala 1 tablespoon. Make sure that jaggery sugar and dates are completely melted and dissolve in it. Then convert a chutney into a bowl for cooling and rest it aside. For kneading a dough in a bowl, add suji. Add maida 2 tablespoons. Then add water in it to knead the dough well. Knead it well by using the hands. Preparation of khatta pani. Add imli water. Add chaat masala 2 tablespoons or as to taste. Add salt to taste. Add soda powder, ajwain 1 tablespoon. Bring it to boil. Turn off the flame. Take a kneaded dough for making Gappa. Knead it again with a wet hand. You can also apply oil for kneading it. Grease the surface with the oil. Knead the dough with a rolling pin to make a thick layer. Cut the dough into round pieces. Preheat the oil for frying it. Fry it. It's ready after frying. Serve it. Thanks for watching my videos. Do subscribe, press the bell icon